That simple thing you do every morning is slowly destroying your engine. You don't hear it, you don't see it, but over time, it can cost you thousands in repairs. And the worst part? Almost everyone does it. If you drive daily, you're probably doing it too. Every morning, millions of drivers start their cars and go about their day without realizing the damage they're causing under the hood. Modern engines are strong, but not indestructible. And certain habits, especially during the first few minutes, can wear your engine down faster than you think. Today, we're breaking down the most common morning mistakes and how to avoid turning your engine into a ticking time bomb. One of the worst things you can do is rev your engine immediately after starting. When your engine is cold, oil hasn't fully circulated yet. That means critical parts are not properly lubricated. Revving at this moment creates unnecessary friction, and that leads to long-term wear. It might feel harmless, but inside your engine, metal is grinding against metal. Fix. Start your car, wait 30 seconds, then drive gently. Even if you don't rev it, driving aggressively right away is just as bad. Cold engines operate differently. Oil is thicker, clearances are tighter. Pushing your car too hard too soon puts stress on nearly every component. Fix. Drive slowly for the first 5 to 10 minutes. Let your engine warm up naturally. Starting your day with near empty fuel? That's another silent killer. Your fuel pump relies on gasoline to stay cool. When fuel levels are low, it overheats. Over time, this can lead to failure and a very expensive repair bill. Fix. Keep your tank above 1/4 whenever possible. Not all oils behave the same, especially in the morning. Using oil that's too thick makes it harder to circulate during cold starts. That means slower lubrication and more wear every day. Fix. Use the manufacturer-recommended oil grade. That small light on your dashboard, it's not a suggestion. Starting your car while ignoring engine warnings can turn a small issue into a catastrophic failure. Many drivers delay checking it until it's too late. Fix. If a warning light appears, check it immediately. Here's the truth. It's not one big mistake that destroys engines. It's the small things done consistently every single morning. That's how engines wear out faster than they should. But the good news is, every single mistake we mentioned today is completely avoidable. Take care of your engine in the morning, and it will take care of you for years. Ignore it, and you could be paying for it sooner than you think. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Save Your Engine, because the next mistake might be costing you more than you realize.